Everybody. Everybody. So what you do here, you mix 5 kg of impupu. You use the cheapest impupu that you find on the shelf. Fanele kube impuphu rough, engasheshi ukuvuthwa ngoba vele udinga impuphu ezivuthwa. Right now I use Champion. Sometimes khona le abayibiza nge-Bluebird is the cheapest meal that you can find in the shelf.
In your next class.
Yes. And then in your next class. And then this is what we call umthombo wombila. But I'm not happy with this umthombo wombila. This is what I could find kule area engikuyona. Umthombo wombila kufanele ube nenhlamvu zombila phakathi ezihlephukile. But ke lo no name yiwona engutholile bathi yiwona banawo. Okay. So you mix all of this in a bucket. Ufaka 3 liters of hot water, 3 liters of cold water.
Everybody.
How many liters are here now?
It's only 2.
2. So we are going to add another one. And then this is everybody.
Can we put vodka?
Yes. So lo sizombeka eceleni. Kusebenza ekugcineni lo mase sivubela. Uyayivubela impi, uyayivubela.
Uyayivub.
Uyayivub. Okay, vub. Uyayivub.
Everybody.
Wemadlamini.
Everybody.
Uphumqombothi.
It's in bed.
Wemadlamini. Isho njalo nje. Uphumqombothi.
Everybody.
Wemadlamini.
I'm running out of voice. Everybody.
So it's 3 liters of hot water. Let us add 3 liters of cold water now. Are you fine?
Hold it.
There you go. Now let's add 3 liters of water. If you go mix it, the aim is to mix it. Manga go mix it. Let's get it.
Masilo ntuzane iphakama. Ngikubambela.
Okay, so siyabalansisa. Sibalansisa amanzi. Bekusakhona amanzi abandayo. Ashisayo. Cold water. 1 liter. Because
Do you need help? No. All right, mate. We're making umkomboti. Let me tell you about umkomboti. They say it makes you fart like brr.
2.
I don't know about you, but I'm gonna taste some. I wanna see if I'm really gonna fart like brr.
You look like you're in heaven.
You think so? I'd like to see heaven. Be careful, mother.
You're going to fall. This Zulu beer is strong. There is anyone who falling before.
We are making it juba there. So
Just by virtue of you smelling and mixing, you're already acting wrong. What is this?
okay. So logo ngaphansi kuyahlangana ne?
It's coming together, yeah?
Okay. Mix. Kungabi khona anything that is powderish.
Where is that braai fork?
The braai fork.
Yeah, for the stuff that's underneath.
It's here. Right here. Where braai fork?
Yeah.
Braai fork, where are you?
It doesn't speak, mother.
Braai fork.
It can't hear you.
This is what I can find.
Okay.